2 simple ingredients, 1 powerful natural antibiotic. It's called golden honey, a mix of turmeric and raw honey, used for centuries to fight infections and boost immunity. What if I told you the combination of 2 simple ingredients, turmeric and honey, could work like a natural antibiotic? This ancient recipe, known as golden honey, can boost immunity, fight infections, and even soothe colds and coughs. Let's explore why it's so powerful and how to make it at home. Honey is one of nature's oldest medicines. It's packed with antioxidants, amino acids, and natural enzymes. Studies show it can strengthen tissues and increase antibodies, fight free radicals and reduce cell damage, soothe sore throats and coughs, and support wound healing and digestion. Turmeric brings in the power of curcumin, its active compound. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant. It helps regulate inflammation, destroy pathogens, and protect tissues from infections. Together, they form a synergistic remedy used in Ayurveda for centuries. This powerful combo has been known to prevent and treat respiratory infections, digestive problems, urinary tract infections, and weak immunity. That's why golden honey is sometimes called a natural antibiotic without the risks of resistance or side effects. So, how can you harness the power of this golden elixir? Let's dive into the recipe. You'll need 3.5 ounces, about 100 grams of organic raw honey, and 1.5 tablespoons of turmeric powder. Mix these ingredients in a glass jar until smooth. Let it sit overnight to boost its potency. Store the mixture in a sealed container at room temperature. To use golden honey, take 1 teaspoon daily on an empty stomach for prevention. During infections, you can increase this to up to 3 times daily. If you prefer, you can also dissolve it in warm water or tea. Here are some extra tips to maximize the benefits. Add a pinch of black pepper to improve turmeric absorption. Mix in a little ginger powder for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. Always use raw, unprocessed, honey. Processed honey loses many of its healing compounds. However, it's important to note that you should avoid golden honey if you have gallbladder stones or liver disease. It's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. The benefits of daily use are impressive. Golden honey strengthens the immune system, fights bacteria and viruses naturally, helps with colds, coughs, and sore throats, supports digestion and gut health, and provides a natural energy boost. Imagine waking up each morning and taking a spoonful of this golden goodness. You're not just starting your day, you're giving your body a powerful shield against illness. It's like having a secret weapon in your health arsenal. But don't just take our word for it. Try it for yourself and see how it can transform your health. Would you rather take golden honey straight from a spoon or mix it into warm water or tea? Comment below and let us know. Remember, while golden honey is safe for most people, it's not recommended for children under 1 year old due to the risk of botulism. Always consult your doctor if you have medical conditions or take prescription drugs. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs an immunity boost, and subscribe for more turmeric health remedies in our playlist. Your health journey doesn't have to be complicated sometimes. The most powerful remedies are the simplest ones, hiding in plain sight in your kitchen. So, are you ready to embrace the power of golden honey? Your immune system will thank you. Here's to your health, naturally boosted and golden.